So life has been crazy. I know that that is not unique to me, and you are all very well aware that life is crazy and it just doesn't stop. This morning, we cleared out the pool table, and I don't think I've shown this basement on the channel yet. This is like one of the hardest things to show or to like go through, whatever, because it's just a lot of stuff and a lot of junk. But about half an hour ago, there was a half-built pool table sitting right in the center here. We gave it away. Friend's brother took it. Awesome. But now the project of the basement truly commences. So let me show you kind of what I'm going through right now. I'm going live on Whatnot tomorrow as I'm recording this. So I'm doing another like holiday show. I found some like fun vintagey kind of things. This is like my selling box. This is going to be my giveaway box. Things I'll put on the Buy Nothing page on Facebook. Found a whole bunch of CDs. So there's a disc replay nearby where I live that they buy CDs. I mean, maybe up to 50 cents per CD that they take. But I found a bunch of those. There's even more over there I'm about to go through, just make sure they're all in the cases. And so that's like another place I'm just going to see if they take them. And whatever they don't buy, I'm going to see if I can just donate to them because we just want them out of here. Kind of overwhelming, but a lot. I mean, just another great part of the adventure. So welcome back to another video in the series of going through a hoarder's home, trying to make some money off of it. Okay, so I ran into an issue because all of these empty cases that nobody's going to buy, and I'm realizing I recently had a like CD case that you would keep in your car that was filled with CDs that I donated. So I could have, if I had found these before, I could have matched what was in there to their case, but instead I'm left with empty cases, which I'll probably toss in recycling, hoping they can be recycled. I am at an impasse. Oh, there's some more. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna try and do this Whatnot show tomorrow. It's holiday, it's Christmas themed, but I have this bin that looks like a lot of like Thanksgiving-y stuff. So I might try and toss some of that in there and make it just like a holiday sale. And I did label it like Christmas in August show. Like that's what the thumbnail says and everything. But I feel like you can loop a lot of those holidays together. Not really Halloween. I could probably do a separate Halloween show, but let me see what I can find in here. I would love to try and sell this, but like shipping, dude. I mean, I guess, honestly, trying to ship, but when we started, bins are falling onto me. All right, let's see. Yeah, like stuff like this is cute, right? Yeah, I don't want to do Halloween in the same. Oh, these are cute. These are soft. This trick or treat. But I don't want to do these in the same show. Oh, cute. Oh, God. These are cute. I could do these as a set. These little spatulas. That's funny. Maybe toss that in. Because in theory, if I can condense a couple of these bins too, it just gives us more space. And then like I just want to clear some of this stuff out, man. Ooh. Ooh. These will probably sell well. Oh my gosh, what does this say? Is this a receipt? Seller give to girls. Pumpkin latte marshmallow. I'll sell these. This should be an easy sell. Not on Whatnot. Separate. Thankful. Looks like it was $2 at Goodwill. This is cute too. But I don't want this to be a Thanksgiving show. We'll see. I'll keep it there. See what people say. Turkey. Oh wow. Okay. This is interesting. I've got this little bear. This seems a little bit culturally appropriated. Look at these little like native. These bins keep falling. Oh, these are cute. I can probably sell these like on eBay, so I'll put these in like a separate sell bag. It's nothing in here has been Christmas so far. They're just never correctly labeled. Okay, it's all good. So I kind of finished off that bin. So, you know, I'm going to go to the next bin, right? Turns out it's also more Thanksgiving stuff, basically. And I started this bin to put all the Halloween stuff in, but like the towels and this pillow are taking up a lot of that space. So I'm just like, I'm trying to condense, and now I'm separating, and now I'm like, But hopefully a lot of this stuff, because I left a lot of empty space in that first bin. Maybe I can just put some of this stuff, fill the rest of that. Because like this is a mix again, because look at how many Halloween napkins could we possibly need? Okay, let's do some updates on my piles. This all here is the buy nothing, get rid of pile. I have this like dog food storage thing. So this is the stuff that I'm going to take to the screenplay. Everything here in this box and here, even this little girl standing here. This is going to be for whatnot, hopefully for the holiday show. I'm just trying to keep whatever I can find I want to add, because the more I can get rid of, the better. I guess I can switch this out, because this will be like a regular eBay sell online pile. Make this make some more sense a little bit. This is all Thanksgiving stuff that I'm going to try and sell during that show, but who knows? Same with this little girl over here. This bag over here is tried to sell on eBay and just other platforms stuff. I'm trying to make sense of this place. Usually this basement is the coolest part of the house, but I am sweating profusely. I wish I didn't have to like work a regular job ever, because I would just spend the next like 3 weeks doing this basement. Whew. Okay, so I know it seems like I'm doing 400 different projects at once. That's because I am, but I had this as a storage bin in my garage. In theory, we're trying to condense all bins, either condense them or find other places to put all these things, or really in theory get rid of a lot of these things. And this is like a random mix of things. Just gonna go through this, decide like what I want to keep, kind of what I want to put somewhere else, so that we can just condense another bin. And I'm also trying to get all of my storage stuff in one place, because there's, right now some in the basement, some in this bedroom, some in the garage. It's just everywhere. And like, not that I'm gonna become a minimalist by any means, but I definitely want to like downsize. But it's hard when I find cool stuff like this. Okay, this is a just this clear part. I was holding these orange Halloween lights as storage in there, but this clear part is a skeleton, like, I don't know, like drink dispenser. And a couple years ago when we had our Halloween party, we made like a giant cocktail and had it in here, and everyone could just serve themselves. I love it, but I'm also like, do I need it? The lights are easy because I put lights up all year round in my space. So I'm gonna have this in a maybe pile, I guess. I want this, but I also have some Halloween decorations in storage in the closet here. This was my grandma's, and my grandma had so many decorations for like every single holiday, and I want to keep some of them. I know we've gotten rid of a lot of them. We got rid of like this most beautiful blow mold that she had in her front yard every year at a garage sale of ours a couple years ago, and I'm sad. So I want to keep at least some of her like classic vintage stuff. This I can put with the bin of gifting stuff. That's holiday candles. Gotta put those in the holiday storage. Thank you cards, birthday cards, just envelopes, birthday cards. I mean, they're very cute. Do I sell them? Do I give them away? Mark's certified friend. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. I feel like this is something I probably got at like Electric Forest or something one year. This is so wild. These are like the pens I had to use, a specific type of pen I had to use when I was working at this restaurant. I love this. Okay, love this so much as decor. Okay, hold on. Let's go with this. Bags. Lots of gift bags and things. I think one of the issues for me is that because we move so much, I've talked about this a little bit before, but my partner and I travel for work. I'm here temporarily, blah, blah, blah. You can get all of that information if you watch the playlist that is this video is a part of. All that to say, we move around quite a bit, and I like to have some like backup stuff, like gift bags and things like that for when we're on the go, so that I don't always have to purchase those things new, because I already have them on hand. But it's always just a matter of like, how many do I bring? Do I remember to pack them? All that stuff. ComEd bills from like 4 apartments ago. Okay, delete. I'm so mad that this was folded like that. I need to find a space for this here. One of my old rave bras. I could probably sell this. I should probably list this. DIY'd rave bra. Yes. This is fun. Oh, it's all this random decor I had in my old apartment forever ago. That's kind of fun that I'm finding this. Aw, okay, cute, cute, cute. All right, some of the stuff I can rehang up. This I have been looking for. Very special. Ooh, look at all that dust flying. This is when I met the cast of Supernatural for the second time. That belongs right there. I can hang that up in a sec. I like the way it looks in a room, but I made this really cute little thing with an old candle. I just looped this battery pack in there, and it has a bunch of coffee beans. I just like it as decor. I don't know if I want to keep it. Honestly, there was one specific thing I was looking for. I was hoping in this bag. I didn't find it, and I don't want to jinx anything yet. There's a few more places I can look for it. But anyway, I think that will conclude the video for today. Let me know if you want more of the basement series soon. I feel like that will be a lot of my projects in the future. But there's also so many little nooks and crannies still to go through, so we will see. Thank you for being here at Out of the Box Thrift, and don't forget to check out my main channel, I Live Enlarge with Elle Crew. It's also linked in the description of this video. Thanks so much for joining me.